Okay, so this is the facial massage. This is my absolute favorite part of beauty treatments. What you're gonna do is you wanna I use coconut oil, so get a little bit of coconut oil. I use the Unrefined cold pressed coconut oil. Put a little bit on my fingers. Also, you can use a serum, or you can use your lotion, your moisturizer, a little bit on the fingertips. What we're going to do is this is going to be a 3-minute treatment. We're going to start here at the jaw, and we're just going to just do circular motions, and we're going to be pushing up and out. Then you're going to get close to your mouth, you get close to your nose, you get up on your cheeks, but you don't want to be pulling down. You're just always going in an upward and out motion. Then after that, after 1 minute, you're going to go up here on your forehead with both fingers and just do circular motion up, push out. And then the eyes, you're just going to go right on the bone and just kind of sweep like this for another minute. Now, the pressure has to be very light. It's not going to be a hard pressure. It's just going to be as if you were like pushing a coin on a countertop. Just a very nice light touch. And what this is going to do, your skin is going to be left just really hydrated. It's also going to be glowing, and it's just going to look really radiant. So you can do this in the morning just to start out your day, or I like to do it at the end of the day because now it's helped me to take off some of my makeup. There you go. This is self-care, and your face is going to love you for it. Bye-bye.